January 22nd, 2026. This is session 1311 of the Omega Communications. Lani speaking, bringing you together again into a group gathering, into a collective consciousness of working together, being together, and moving away from your attention into the physical world, into the presentation of yourself, your true energy self, into the communication chamber area of a station of light. And remember, it is also a state of light, a field of consciousness. And we're all about being within the light field, a higher frequency field. So this is how we begin this session today. Being in a greater field of light, ready to receive it. You are welcomed into this frequency pattern, into this gathering, and you are drawn forward specifically to receive the patterning that is required for you as you continue your presentation of the true energy frequency of the higher pattern of creation through you and into your surroundings, wherever you are. And those of you who have been drawn into this session, you are spaced in different areas around the planetary system, and thus you are creating a greater field of light. You are participating, you are creating the energy matrix which you exist within and around as the planet. You see, the energy of creation comes in through that energy matrix field, and when you are consistently connected into that field, you are accessing the pure elements that are needed to balance, restore, to clear, to cleanse in every way which is necessary. You may know energetically and physically areas that need this cleansing or upgrading in some way. Energetically, you must receive the higher frequency before the activity is performed. Is this the same way that you do anything? You visualize, you get the idea, you visualize it, you see it, and then you put into practice. This is the way you are the creative life presence, and the way that you are creatively creating your presence in the life system where you are. There are many situations that you could be dealing with, trying to resolve, to solve, to clear. It is the same principle. You move into the clearest connection within the creative life force, the life presence, before any activity is performed. In another way of speaking in your language, you plug yourself into the power source to activate whatever is required. So in this sense, you become an electrical component to utilize and become the instrument for the higher frequency to come in. And as it activates you in many different ways, this is you bringing the system of the light frequency into the pattern of the world in which you are involved. You individually are involved in different worldly patterns. So as you connect into the prime source of creation, you are actively changing what you see around you and what you do around you, within you and through you. It's the same simple procedure. It is a process. And it is presented to you in multiple ways through multiple speakers. So adjust yourself to the higher frequency, which is changing. You are moving in accordance with the consciousness that is the life form that is the planet. And this is changing. Make sure that you connect yourself into the prime source, the highest frequency pattern, and create the pure design around you, within you, through you. See what is the pure design system. This brings realizations and true understanding, and therefore you stand in the prime source of creation, the pure design system. Many ways you may perceive flawed design systems. So you must therefore correct what you see, what you know, what you feel, and correctly align yourself to the pure design system. Now that you have received this, you are involved in a balancing in the outer fields. You might say they are the outer fields which surround the planet. It is in that area that major clearing must occur to allow the pure design light field to enter into the field, into this earth dome system, the sphere that it is. You must allow the pure design system to come in. And you do this every time you connect through the solar portal to the pure cosmic design system. We direct you to this again, so that you are correctly aligned and filled, refueled. You're recharging yourself. So this session is all about recharging yourself. There are many of you who have come out of disturbing patterns around you, currently or recently. And so this again is the way you recharge yourself. The outcome will be clearer systems and solutions in accordance with the pure design system of creation. You will be seeing this, understanding it, and realizing it. It is motivation for you to continue the process in this reconnection. And this is all that is required to bring forth to you today. Perhaps you needed to hear it again in this way. Perhaps this is the first opportunity that you have given yourself to receive a session, information and energy in this way. Enjoy it. Enjoy who you are. Enjoy the creativity within you in accordance with the prime source of creation. And thus it is. This is Lani again. And I thank the collective consciousness for the simplicity. Again, it's a simple message. We don't need to confuse it with external manipulations. We simply go to source energy. And so this is a very simple message today, again, to recharge yourself in the pureness, the beauty of creation, and you'll see the beauty in creation all around you. Even if you were in a desert, you would see beauty around you, you would feel it. Don't let yourself be distracted by anything in the world that is presented to you. Stay firmly connected within the pure essence that is you, that you bring into this world. So bring it all back into your world, right down to the soles of your feet, connected into the frequency pattern of Earth. And this ends this session through the Omega Communications portal. Thank you.